Hey guys, this is a unboxing. I got this in the mail just about 5 minutes ago. Very excited to see what this baby is. Now, let's get to it. I wanted to get something that looked really cool and amazing. So I got malt, black malt, with a engraved lasered dancer on the pole, stripper on the pole. I think this is really amazing. I love this. Now, I already took off the stuff. I usually put it on the back, and right there, this was originally, if you'll zoom in, $22.95. I got this off of Amazon for $13. This baby's awesome. It's a nice new open sound. I gotta put gas fluid in it. I didn't get that yet. It's not served. Now, if you can see that, it says Zippo 11, made in 2011, Bradford, PA, made in the USA. I don't know if you can see that clearly, but yeah. See, I'm gonna take this off. I might need two hands to do this, so bear with me now. Alright, so, don't know if you can see that. For best results, use Zippo Flint and Fluid. D11. Keep away from children, blah, 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 blah. Letter does not self-exhaustion. Close lid to pull it out. This is where you lift to fill. I don't have any fluid left, but I'm going to have to fill it soon. That's on its way shipping. I got this, I want to say 2 days after shipping, maybe, or 3, for extended shipping from Las Vegas. So this is my stripper and pole lighter. I'm going to be doing tricks once I get my fluid. Alright, well, thanks for watching.